Hi, today I will be showing you how to temporarily deactivate Instagram account. If you find this video helpful, please do leave a like and subscribe. So first things first, what you're going to do here is you have to launch or open your Instagram application. Now here, the next thing to do is you have to tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Once you tap on your profile at the bottom right corner, the next thing to do here is click these three lines at the top right corner. Once you tap this, it will take you directly to settings and activity. Just click Account Center. Under Account Center, you have to simply scroll down and then tap this Personal Details. Once you tap Personal Details, you will see this option, Contact Info, Birthday, Identity, and Account Ownership and Control. Tap on Account Ownership and Control. Now you have two options here. Just click the activation or deletion. Here you will see your Instagram account and Facebook account. So what you're going to do is you have to click your Instagram account. Now you have two options here, deactivate account or delete your account. Deactivate your account means you need to deactivate your account temporarily, while deleting your account, it will delete your account permanently. So you have to tap on the first one and click continue. Here you need to add or enter your password again and select the reason why you need to deactivate your account. You can choose from any of the options given below. So if you can't find the reason here, then you can just tap something else, click the circle, and then scroll down, tap on continue. And it says confirm temporary account deactivation. What you're going to do in order for you to proceed with your deactivation is to tap on deactivate account. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.